Hello, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've made a pit stop off of Route 66 in Missouri, in Uranus, Missouri, to see something quite unique. I've stopped to see the world's largest belt buckle. And there it is. Do you see it? Do you see it? The world's largest belt buckle. It's over 13 feet wide and over 10 feet tall. Indeed, that's a mighty big belt buckle.
Howdy, partner. I think this here belt buckle's big enough for Paul Bunyan.
There's all kinds of things to do here at this stop in Uranus. There's a sideshow museum, a general store, and of course, the fudge factory. Unfortunately, I need to get back on the road, so I can't stop any longer. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comments section. Until next time, that's a wrap.